Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious acai bowl. We will begin by selecting the freshest ingredients to ensure a vibrant and flavorful base. Then, I will guide you through the blending process, focusing on achieving that signature thick, spoonable texture. Finally, we will explore creative ways to top your bowl, transforming it into a delightful and nutritious treat. Get ready to create your own perfect acai masterpiece. To start, you will need one frozen acai packet, which is the heart of our bowl. For natural sweetness and antioxidants, add about 1/2 cup of frozen mixed berries, like strawberries and blueberries. A crucial ingredient for that creamy texture is 1/2 of a frozen banana. Finally, to help everything blend smoothly, incorporate 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. These core ingredients create a fantastic foundation. Now, let's blend. Place your frozen acai packet, frozen berries, and frozen banana into a powerful blender. Pour in the 1/4 cup of almond milk last. Use a tamper to continuously push the frozen ingredients down towards the blades. Blend on a high setting, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides if needed. Aim for a very thick, almost soft-serve ice cream consistency, not a runny smoothie. Once your acai base is perfectly blended, scoop it into your favorite bowl. Now for the fun part, toppings. Arrange fresh fruit slices, such as banana, strawberries, or kiwi, beautifully over the surface. For a satisfying crunch, sprinkle a generous amount of granola. A light drizzle of honey or agave nectar adds a touch of extra sweetness. Enjoy your homemade, nutritious, and absolutely delicious acai bowl immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.